Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make address tricky in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix website. Now scroll down. You don't see header. So we are going to make address tricky. Now go to Wix website editor. So this is our header. And when hover on it, and then you see header scroll setting. Also you see quick edit. So click on header scroll setting, and then you see when visitors scroll the header, you see multiple options: scroll with site, freeze, disappear, fade out. Now select freeze. Now close, and then click on publish. Now you see message: your site is published and live online. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see our header is sticky. Now you see. Back to Wix editor. Now close. Just enable header scroll setting freeze option. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.